Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to email all your students in Canvas using phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canvas teacher app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, from your dashboard, tap the course where you want to message all your students. Now look at the bottom of the screen and tap Inbox. The inbox is where you send and receive messages inside Canvas, just like an email. In the inbox, tap the compose icon in the top right corner. It looks like a square with a pencil. This opens a brand new message. Under courses, tap the drop down and choose the course you want to message. This lists Canvas which class you are connecting or contacting. Now tap 2. You will see options like teacher, student and sections. Tap student. Then tap all students. We select every student enrolled in the course. Type in a subject and your message. You can keep it simple. When you're ready, tap send in the top right corner. Message is now sent to every student in the course. They will receive it in Canvas and by email depending on their settings. And that's all. That's how you email all students in Canvas using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.